We have got a real beauty for you here today. This is our 2018 on an 18-plate Ford Transit Custom Signature. This is the 300 model, which means it's got a 3-ton gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2-litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 130 PS, which is roughly 130 brake horsepower. That is accompanied with a 6-speed manual gearbox in this particular example. And this is a short wheelbase, was based on a limited panel van, finished in fantastic metallic magnetic grey. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom Limited of this age. I'll talk you through what makes this van one of our signature styled Transit Customs. We'll also talk you through in detail the condition of this particular example, details as well about the fantastic service history that is with the previous ownership and everything else, seeing as the vehicle is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a Limited you get a number of elements which come colour coded. That includes things like the door handles, the bumpers, the mirrors, bits of trim like these here, all come colour coded in the body colour, which as I say in this case is metallic magnetic grey. It's worth noting as well, no VAT to pay on this particular example. Previous owner has had the van since it was a year old. It's been meticulously maintained but not being VAT registered. They can't charge VAT when they come to sell it to us, and then we can't charge VAT on something that we haven't paid VAT on. Having a look at the spec down here then, on a Limited you get parking sensors. You can see rear parking sensors there, nicely integrated into the rear bumper, and in terms of condition it is in just impeccable order. For a van of this age, it is one of the best I've seen. It's very, very nice indeed. The paintwork, of course, has been fully detailed with us. It's absolutely as smooth as silk, and you can see, looking down here, it all looks absolutely original. As I say, the chap has really, really well looked after this, who has had it previously. At the top then, the first part to note, which is part of our signature styling package, and that is the rear spoiler, which has been added, and I'll bring you around to a few more of the other bits in there. But as I say, in terms of condition here, there's really not much to fault here at the back at all. We're being very critical, maybe a tiny little touch in just there, but as I say, for an 18-plate van, you'll see as we go around, this is really is a very, very nice one. Inside the back of the van then, brand new ply lining in the back of here. Now we do this on the vast majority of panel vans, certainly signature styled Transit Customs like this. The vast majority of them will have brand new ply lining like this, which you can see in here. The ply liner does a brilliant job, which gives you full rear door coverage. They even do these nice little infills, all silicone sealed. Same with the wheel box as well, all nicely silicone sealed in around the outside. Of course, you've got the hard wearing plastic flooring there, which is nice and easy to keep clean and sweep out. You've of course got the bulkhead as well, which as you can see in this case is in fantastic condition. You've got the load through hatch there at the bottom of the bulkhead, and you can see you can open these doors right out to the full 180-degree position. So using this yellow arm, pull that out of the way. So this yellow arm, pull that out the way, and then you can open the door right out to its full 180-degree position, or it will lock into place like this at 90 degrees. Shut the door then, and we continue to go around the outside of the van. Another tiny little mark just there, I can see a little touch in just there underneath the badge. But looking here down the passenger side, just look how clean and straight that is, in really stunning order throughout. As I say, that all looks totally original to me. It's very, very smart down the side of there. Tiny little touch in just there. But yeah, really not much to fault. Opening up the side loading door then, let's have a look inside the load space from this angle. And again, you can just see how clean and tidy that is from there. Opening up the passenger door then gives us our first look inside the cab. So looking at the condition of the door card, the step. I always like to see this. This owner has had proper Ford rubber overmat inside here, and that's of course protected the floor very nicely. But the condition of the glove box is all very nice. Couple of tiny little marks just there, but that is being very critical indeed. Service history then, this is where this one, of course not just condition, but this is where this really stands out. So we have got services 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024 and 2025, most recently there at 24,854 miles. And you can also see over here in the timing belt section that that was also when it had the timing belt or wet belt changed at that date and mileage as well. As you can see, all of these have been done with Ford dealers, and in fact all the same Ford dealer throughout his whole life. So it is just impeccable service history. Vans now unfortunately don't come with service books, so it's very nice to see. This is sort of one of the last years that they did a physical service book like that, and it's lovely to see. Why they've taken that away, I don't know. I think that's so nice to see all nice stamps in the book like that. as you can keep everything up to date. You can see here condition underneath the passenger seats, all in fantastic order there. Of course, you've got the fold-down work tray in the centre there, a couple of cup holders as well to keep some paperwork in. But yeah, impeccable service history. Lovely to see that it has been maintained so well. So some other bits of which we have added then. So we've got the 18-inch Calibre T-Sport gloss black alloy wheels. These are of course brand new with brand new load rated tyres. Absolutely love these alloy wheels. I think they fit the signature styling package so well. They're a very robust wheel as well. We don't get these cracking or buckling or anything like that. An 18-inch we find is just the sweet spot in terms of the size. We've got a nice set of sidebars which have been added, also a set of roof bars, and then around to the front, a couple of big upgrades here to the front. So we've got the Ford Trail front grille, which you can see there, all looking very nice. And at the bottom then we have got the front splitter, which has been added as well, all color coded, and then these really nice gloss black elements as well, which I think set it off so well. And I think that is a gorgeous looking van. In terms of condition then, as I say, there's just not much to fault. As I say, you're going to have a few little stone chips here or there, but of course you're going to get that on any used van, just as light sort of peppering of stone chips to the front of the bonnet, but generally not much to fault. You know, so you're going to get the odd one or two. Very low miles on this particular example. Looking at the headlights then, of course you've got that lovely LED daytime running light there around the outside of the headlights. And then finally then looking here down the driver's side of the vehicle on this lovely big panel here, again you can just see how clean and straight that is. Let's have a quick look inside the cab then from the driver's side. So again, just looking at the condition in here, the step, the floor, the driver's seat is all in fantastic order. 2 full flip remote keys come with the vehicle. We've got electric windows, electric heated folding mirrors, and that's how those operate there, just by pulling that dial back towards you. Auto activated lights, auto activated wipers, cruise control on the steering wheel there. 26,386 miles. You can see it's all idling correctly there, no warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. 6-speed manual gearbox, fold down little hidden cup holder just there, air conditioning, heated seats, heated windscreen, heated door mirrors. All of that comes as standard on the Limited, as does the Sync 3 screen, which gives you DAB radio, but crucially Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on here as well. So connect your phone via one of the USBs, either that one there or the one up on top. Connect one of those to your smartphone via a USB cable, and that will give you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So just to summarize then, this is a 2-owner from new, and I say with that previous owner having the van from a year old. It's 2018 on an 18 plate Ford Transit Custom with a full signature styling package on it. Impeccable Ford service history, no VAT to pay. Absolutely stunning condition throughout, exceptionally low miles. These examples are becoming harder and harder to find now. It's certainly in this condition, VAT status, service history, it's so hard to find one like that. And of course that timing belt or wet belt has been changed as well. Of course, absolutely crucial job on these, but that has been done, as you can see there, by the Ford dealer. It's also worth mentioning that the van comes with an absolute stack of bills as well. So all of those services which you've seen in there, the previous owner has kept all of the servicing invoices and bills, breaking down exactly what was done, the oils used, everything, I say, all with that Ford main dealer. It really is, as good of a service history as you're going to find on one of these. No VAT to pay, fantastic condition, full styling package, brand new ply lining in the back. This one will not be with us for very long. If you'd like to see the full advert, you can head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description, and the photography of this van, and of course all of the others that we've currently got advertised. The vehicle is supplied as standard with a 12-month AA warranty. You have got options to upgrade that as well to a 2-year or 3-year warranty. So to go to 2 years, it's $399 plus VAT. To go to 3 years, it's $599 plus VAT. But as I say, you do get 12 months absolutely free of charge with the vehicle. We can arrange delivery nationwide, and we can also take cars or vans in part exchange, and of course arrange finance at very competitive rates, whether it be for private individuals or for limited companies. Thank you very much for watching.